keep moving. When your efforts bring the result you seek, and also when they don't, keep moving. Welcome the achievements with humility. Welcome the setbacks with confidence, and keep moving. Don't use success as an excuse to rest on your accomplishments. Don't use failure as an excuse to give up. Whatever has happened before, your best choice now is to keep moving. Keep learning, keep making the effort, and keep improving. Build new values and what does work, and accumulate valuable experience for what doesn't. When you realize you've been distracted and wandered, of course, don't let it get you down. Just accept where you are, figure out the best way forward, and quickly get going again. Keep moving. When you're standing still or being pushed backwards, you have no control over what's happening to you. Keep moving, because the way to control your direction is to have some direction. And more assertively you move, the more control you have. Keep moving. Life's abundance is all around you, and each day brings new opportunities for fulfillment. Use every day to keep moving and bring your best possibilities to life. Let me share a beautiful story of baby giraffe. Baby giraffes never go to school, but they learn a very important lesson rather early in their life. A lesson that all of us would do well to remember. The birth of a baby giraffe is quite an earth-shaking event. The baby giraffe falls from its mother's womb, some 8 feet above the ground. Thud. It shrivels up and lies still, too weak to move. The mother giraffe lovingly lowers her neck to give a beautiful smooch to the baby giraffe. And then something unbelievable happens. She lifts her long leg and kicks hard at the baby giraffe, sending it flying up in the air and tumbling down on the ground. As the baby lies curled up, the mother kicks the baby again and again and again and again until the baby giraffe, still trembling and tired, pushes its limbs and for the first time learns to stand on its feet. Happy to see the baby standing on its feet, the mother giraffe comes over again and gives yet another hard kick. The baby giraffe falls one more time, but now quickly recovers and stands up. Mama giraffe is extremely delighted. She knows that her baby has learnt an important lesson: to keep moving. Never mind how hard you fall. Always remember to pick yourself up and get back on your feet and keep moving. Why does the mother giraffe do this? She knows that the lion and the leopards love giraffe meat. So unless the baby giraffe quickly learns to stand up and run with the pack, it will have no chances of survival. Most of us, though, are not quite as lucky as the baby giraffes. No one teaches us to stand up every time we fall. When we fail, when we are down, we just give up. We stop moving. No one kicks us out of our comfort zone to remind us that to survive and succeed, we need to learn to get back on our feet and keep moving. Ironically, failing might be the best thing ever happened to you. So, keep moving.